In a matter of seconds, a simple reboot can resolve issues that would require service visits in traditional cars. Try a reboot if anything isn't operating as you expect. Press in and hold both scroll wheels until the touchscreen turns black. Then, lift off the scroll wheels and wait a few seconds for the reboot to complete. If the issue persists, check your owner's manual or contact Tesla Service or Roadside Assistance. Tesla Roadside Assistance is here for you 24/7 if you're ever in need while on the road. Open the Tesla app, select Roadside, and follow the prompts to submit your request. Monitor progress here. We'll also text you updates. If you're unable to submit via the app, give us a call. Find the number for Roadside Assistance on your touchscreen by going to Controls and then Service. Simply tap it to call. It's also a good idea to save this number in your phone. Use the Tesla app to schedule a service appointment in your driveway or at your local service center. Once scheduled, view and approve estimates, message with your service team, settle charges, and more. It all takes place in the app. Watch video guides like this one online, in the Tesla app, or in your car. The detailed information in your owner's manual is always available online or on your touchscreen. The best way to learn is to start driving. Your Tesla is designed to be the safest, most convenient, and most fun car you've ever driven. Enjoy it, and thanks for accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy.